Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun fall day in the life with me and Will and baby Oliver. We're headed to Cracker Barrel right now for breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch and we're gonna be carving pumpkins tonight, hopefully. So super fun little fall day, and we're excited to bring y'all along with us. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. I make lots of videos about cleaning and homemaking and mom life and decorating, lots of holiday decorating coming up, so I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. Also, I am filming on my phone today just so I don't have to lug my camera around with me, so hopefully the quality isn't too terrible, but let's get started. Oliver, hi baby. It is so loud in here, but the Mama's French toast is, what is this called? Mama's French toast? Uh-oh. I just stuck my hand in syrup, gross. We are in the middle of nowhere, and I wish I would have gotten it up close, but there is the cutest little house right there with the longest driveway. I want to live somewhere like this, but we're here. You want to go get a pumpkin?
Ooh, look at the scary clown.
Ollie, we're here. We're here. Look out your window.
So is everyone else. Uh-oh.
Look, it's a choo-choo train. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Maybe I could have seen it all coming. That I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in trust? You don't like it? You won't take it?
Did you find a baby pumpkin?
Cause nothing makes sense anymore.
Nice.
Oh,
I say we get a white one and a regular one.
huh?
We should get a white one and a regular one. Yeah, why not? That's why I said that, yeah, because I saw it and it looked like good. Dang, that's a big one. It's bigger than Oliver.
Your dad carried it. Say choo-choo! You have it going? Was it too hot for babies? Okay, we've been home from the pumpkin patch for like 2 hours, but Oliver was so grumpy when we got home, so he needed a nap. Hey, come here. So he got a nap when we got home, and I kind of cleaned up the house a little bit. So now we're gonna get ready to cook dinner. I'm making taco soup for dinner, and then tonight Will and I are gonna carve some jack-o'-lanterns, and we're gonna do a contest, and y'all are gonna be the judge of whose is the best. But these are the pumpkins we picked up from the pumpkin patch today, and they are huge. Size reference, Oliver. And Oliver is a pretty large, almost 1-year-old. So these are huge pumpkins and we're excited. But let's go cook some taco soup. Okay, so this is by far my favorite taco soup recipe ever. I've had a bunch of taco soups and this is always my favorite. It's just a Pinterest recipe, so I'll link it below for you. But it just calls for chili beans, black beans, sweet corn, tomato sauce, 2 cans of the diced tomatoes with green chilies, taco seasoning, chicken broth. It actually calls for cheddar cheese. I'm gonna use Fiesta Blend because it's what we have on hand. Sour cream, cumin, chili powder, onion powder, and then a rotisserie chicken. And you can actually use whatever kind of chicken you want, but rotisserie just makes it super easy. You shred it up and throw it in. So let's get this started. Okay, the taco soup is done. All I did was add in the sour cream and the cheese after that chicken. And I just made some Jiffy cornbread muffins, and those are so good if you add a little sugar to them. And I'm so excited. This is so good. Okay, coming at you from the following day because last night I went to upload my footage from my phone and I had some technical difficulties. So this is the following night. We just put Oliver to bed, so hopefully we don't wake him up trying to do this. But it is 8 o'clock, so hopefully this won't take too long. But we are going to go ahead and carve our jack-o'-lanterns. These are the pumpkins that we got at the patch. They're ginormous, so I'm super excited. And y'all are going to be the judge of whose jack-o'-lantern is the best. And when we're done carving them, we're going to go out on the front porch and light them up and give you the full picture. So let's get started. Okay, so we're both cheating. I found my idea on Pinterest, but it's super cute. It's a little window and then an opening of a door, and then there's gonna be a baby pumpkin or a little pumpkin that lives inside, and the door's gonna be open, and then the light will be coming out through the window. So that's mine. What are you gonna do with yours?
I'm gonna use this stencil right here. I wanna make it easy and just, you know, cut out along the lines.
What is it? Which one are you doing?
Just a little face like this.
Okay.
How many times have I fallen for you? Every promise you never delivered. How many times all the words that you said had me mixing the sweet with the bitter? But I know what you're saying, don't need no explaining. You're making me shake and shiver. You're shining your shoes, but hey, I got news. I ain't falling for all of that glitter this time. As ready as I can be this time. I'll be running free.
Okay, here is the final reveal. This one is Will's. Turned out so cute. And then this one is mine. And we're gonna go light them up on the front porch, and y'all have to let us know who won. Okay, here goes the official lighting. Will, you light yours first.
My bare feet.
It's so cute. Okay, hold the camera. I'm gonna light mine.
How do we do this?
Just hold it right here, and I'll get out from under you. Hopefully this doesn't light the pumpkin on fire like I said. So I'm gonna put the little pumpkin over it.
That is cute.
My heart is rising. I'm taking it step by step. I'm running and running.